Welcome to GCoderz. Welcome to Robotics and welcome to Future. This demo will help you on your first step in GCoderz. You'll have to log in with a user ID and password which you received through G-Tec. Once you log in, you'll see the activities or gamified missions. Click on any activity and it will load. It may take time based on your internet speed, so don't worry. And there won't be any downloads on your system or any memory usage. This is your first mission, driving your robot forward to the target. You will see the guided tours for the first few missions and then you will be ready to do it on your own. Just follow the instructions and drag the block to snap or attach it to the program start block. It's as simple as that. Just run the simulation. Congrats, that was your first mission. Let us try it again. To summarize what we have done, we have logged in, saw the target on the right and followed the instruction. Similarly, you can drag the code from block menu or delete it like this. And now run the code. If you want to do that again, click try again, or you can reset the simulation. Now let us go to the next activity. Here we will move forward and then right. You can use the right mouse button over the simulation for a pan view of your robot. So here we need the robot to turn right and then move forward. You see the codes, right? Click run. This is the second guided mission. Let us do it once more. Follow the instructions and you will see blocks there which are not connected, hence it is grayed out. We'll have to figure out how much it needs to move forward and then we have to take it left turn and then move forward again. So let us attach the drive forward block and let us try to change the distance to 4. Now let us drag the turn left block and drive forward again. The movement menu has drive forward or backward and turn left or right. The data will give us units in numbers. Let us run the command and see. Okay, that was an unsuccessful attempt. Let us reset the simulation to get a fresh start. So let us change the value back to 3 and see how it goes. Success. So that was the demo. You'll rock the missions. This is a demo for Adventure course. There are higher programs too like Cyber Robotics 101, 102 and Python Gym, which can be your progression plans. Welcome to GCoderz.